Good evening everybody, Jimmy Mike Food here. I've been asked by Mark Allen to post a little video just showing basic chicken curry. So here goes. I've done this before, so hope I get it right. Chicken tikka, tandoori, prepped it yesterday and roasted it in the oven. Wife doesn't eat meat, so she's having prawns in the same marinade. So also yesterday I prepped a simple base curry sauce. So you want 2 kilos of onions, 50 grams of garlic, 50 grams of ginger, 2.5 pints of water, and just cook it down for about 40-45 minutes. Then blitz it. Then a separate frying pan, just get some turmeric, some chilli, a bit of what's next? Turmeric, chilli, tomatoes. Cook it down to a nice thick, sticky paste. And then once you've done that, a bit of salt, add it to your base sauce, cook it out for another 25 minutes, skimming all the crap off the top, and eventually you'll come out with a really nice thick, perfect base sauce. So 2 frying pans on the go. This one's going to be a chicken curry, this one's going to be the prawns. The prawns are raw, so I'm going to put them in the frying pan first. In this pan, where the chicken's going to go, you can drop in some base sauce. You'll hopefully hear it sizzling straight away. So this is for 2 people, so you need a couple of cups. That's 4 little spoonfuls. You just get it going. So the prawns are starting to cook out, so just add some base sauce to that as well. Couple of spoonfuls, just plenty. So we want to get that up on high heat. Now we're going to add salt, chilli powder, cook for another 5 minutes, then garam masala and ground cumin, we'll add that in it. Wee slurp. It does make a mess in your kitchen. Don't know if anybody notices in the tribute to the great Mother India Cafe. Thanks for the apron, Maria. So you get up to heat. Just drop in your salt, your chilli powder, and get it going for a few minutes. Just get that cooking out for a couple of minutes. Another slurp. So in this frying pan, just get some rice boiling away. So just bring it up to the boil, then turn it down and let it simmer for maybe 8 minutes until it's al dente. Then we'll drain it, put it back in the pan and leave it for 3 or 4 minutes, and it'll be a perfect fluffy rice. So you need to be able to accept it's messy. And all your tea towels, they'll end up stained with turmeric. So that's long enough, so I'm going to just turn the heat down a wee bit, turn the heat down a touch. Add your garam masala and your cumin. Then cook that out for 3 or 4 minutes. I've been doing this same recipe for, crikey, 30 years at least. It's pretty much come from the Wee Curry Secret cookbook, which is, God, it's been about forever. It's, you know, $5.99 on Amazon. Cracking little book. I'm using it for, honestly, since it came out originally 30 years ago. So that's in now. Ordinarily I'd maybe put the chicken in a little bit earlier, but it's already cooked, so it doesn't need as long, so I'll toss that in now. You can actually see it changing colour, and it's starting to look like proper Indian cooked restaurant curry. So whilst that cooks out, the next thing I'm going to add is fresh fenugreek leaves. You'll get them in most Indian supermarkets. If you can't get fresh ones, you can use methi, dried methi, same thing. And optional is a few green chillies. It really is simple. The important thing is to get the base sauce done. Get the base sauce right, make a big pot, you can see it on the camera. Make a big pot, freeze it, keeps for, you don't keep it long because it's so nice. You'll probably end up making more curry because it does make it easy. And this has taken, you know, 5 minutes so far. Very simple. For a bit of sweetness, we'll add some tomato. So I'm going to give it the fenugreek. And also at this stage, just a little bit of coriander. If it starts getting a little bit thicker than you want, just add some water. If it's too thin, turn the heat up and just cook it down a little bit. Simple. Then with some tomato. Just have a little taste. Check you're happy with the seasoning. Really nice, perfect, perfect. So there you go, it's the consistency you're looking for and the colour you're looking for. So at this point, you don't want to cook it too long. You want a little bit of bite in the tomato. The only other thing that I do, which is optional again, is this is the marinating liquor from the tandoori marinade. Just add a spoonful of it. And it helps with the colour, it gives it a different texture. And basically, that's it. It's one of these things you can't slow down to make it simpler to follow, because it's a dish you make quickly. So right, off the heat with that one. Another slurp. Hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's clear. Take care.